Let's take a look at how to set up UTM parameters in your Google Business profile. This is going to help you track where people are coming from, whether they click through from your website link here or some book an appointment link or a post, like appointments here. There's some different ways people can contact through a listing, and by putting some tracking codes in, you can kind of split apart that traffic and better tell what's going on. So first things first, if you search for your business name, you should see your business pull up on Google. It'll say something like your business on Google here. If you don't see this, you might need to change your email in the top right corner because you need to make sure you're logged in with the email that's associated with your business. And then once you see this information here, you can click Edit Profile. And from there, we can go to the contact details where we'll see our website. This is the first place where I recommend looking at using UTM data. So if we edit this, most people just throw their website in without really putting too much thought into it, right? But there's an opportunity here for us to set up a little bit of tracking so that we can tell exactly where traffic is coming from when it comes from our Google Business profile. To do this, we're going to add something called UTM data, which is just a string that is added to the end of a URL. It always starts with a question mark, which indicates that everything after that question mark is just going to be data about the user that needs to be passed through the URL, essentially. And what this is UTM is universal tracking metrics, and there's universal tracking metrics for the source of the traffic, which means where the traffic comes from. And for that, we're going to set it as Google. An and signed splits that metric from the next one, so that this is kind of just like a separator. Now we have the next universal tracking metric, which is the medium. And so the medium would be organic in this case because people found us organically on Google, right? The UTM campaign then would be GBP, which is the abbreviation for your Google Business profile, which is this whole listing that we're looking at here. If we save this, now when somebody clicks on our website, it's going to log this data in Google Analytics, for instance. So then when we look at our Google Analytics, we can see, oh, hey, look, we're getting a whole bunch of our traffic from organic Google GBP traffic, so Google Business Profile traffic. Awesome. And we know that that's basically just coming directly from the website. But there are other places I was showing you. There's an appointment booking option, right? So if we scroll down here, there's actually kind of links throughout. There's even product links here. So if we go and set up a product, right, we can add in a URL for that landing page for that product. So for example, we could have a page that's like this. And for campaign, we could use something like this. So GBP underscore product, right? So now we know that that is the campaign that we're getting the traffic from. It's from our Google Business Profile campaign under the products category section here, right? So that you can essentially modify these different URLs, like the booking URL. So we have a place where people can come book with us here. From there, we could add in that whole string that I was just showing you, which would be this part, starting with the question mark after the last bit of the URL here. And because this is where people book appointments, I would probably switch GBP with GBP/appointments, just like that. So then we would be able to see when people are coming from this appointment booking link specifically. So I've gone ahead and saved that. And now we have the UTM tracking data on our booking link and our website link and theoretically our product links. Really any link that comes from your listing, it can have UTM data and it can pass information about where that traffic is coming from, which just gives you more accurate data so that you can optimize better as time goes on. So I hope you found this helpful. If there's anything you did have questions about, don't hesitate to reach out. just drop your questions in the comment section down below, and we'll be sure to get back to them there.
Look, if you're the type of person that just doesn't even want to deal with SEO anymore, then you can always reach out to me. My company is Missoula SEO Geek. I'll leave a link to my website down below. And we do provide SEO for different businesses in different industries. And you can come learn about what we do, what makes us unique. You can even read some of the testimonials from some businesses that we've taken from 0 to over $1 million in revenue, like this one here. And really just see that, this is the type of thing that's going to explode your business growth. So feel free to reach out. You can always give us a call or contact us through our website, and look forward to working with you.